By tonight. Lainey, please tell me I'm not going to get woken up tonight or early in the morning with thunder and lightning and rain.
No, you're not going to have to deal with that, but it is going to be cold tomorrow morning when you get up and get out of bed, Brianna. We've got temperatures that are going to be down in the 30s, and I know how much you like that, right? Well, I do have something that I think you're going to like. Check out these two smiling faces. This was sent to me from Deborah Hayworth. These are her grandchildren, Gage and Corbin, and they were out for a walk and they came upon this tiny little heart. I love the smiles on their faces. That is so nice. Well, maybe you're going to head outdoors tomorrow, and if so, you might need to grab a jacket, a little windbreaker, because it is going to be breezy. Check out the skies over Blues Lake earlier today, where, yeah, we went from storms this morning to some sunshine, and yes, the wind picking up for sure. The temperatures are on their way down, but really not so bad right now. You've got 66 in Lexington, 60 degrees in Mount Airy, and temperatures are already dipping into the 50s in some of the mountain and northern Piedmont communities. The strongest wind gusts we saw out there today were close to 60 miles an hour. Now in Burlington, that was from the front and the storms that pushed through this morning, and then just the wind gusts staying up in the mountains for most of the day. And even at this hour, we have recent gusts of 25 to 30 miles an hour. We call this cold air advection, right? We're getting a change in air mass, and when you do, the wind definitely strong with that. National Weather Service has decided to extend the wind advisory for a few communities in the mountains starting at midnight and continuing until about 6 o'clock tomorrow, because the wind is not going to die down during the day tomorrow. It will likely be tomorrow night into Saturday morning. So with gusts of 50 miles an hour, we could still have some isolated trees down or limbs down and some sporadic power outages. If you're going to get out tomorrow to run some errands, maybe some groceries, bundle up a little bit because the temperatures are going to be chilly. We've got a high temp of about 55 tomorrow afternoon. And I know I'm hearing all about this, and I'm seeing it all over my deck and my driveway. The pollen, especially the tree pollen, the oaks and the maples, really bringing everything down to the ground right now. And we're expecting to continue to have those high counts for the next several days. Our front is along the coastline. There's a little bit of precipitation northwest of us, and some of it may be a touch wintry in the highest elevations of the mountains. It's mostly rain that's coming in and not much of that, but maybe a few snowflakes mixed in. You can see the 30s there in Fargo, so plenty of cold air. We'll be down in the 30s tomorrow morning, and yes, there may be a little rain-snow mix, at least in the mountains, just a very slight chance, but little to no accumulation. During the day tomorrow, we stay quite chilly early on, but then eventually warming up into the 50s. So morning temperatures are down below freezing perhaps in the mountains, closer to 40 degrees across the Triad. There's your accumulating snow. It will be on the west-facing slopes of the mountains. Your Friday forecast has a lot of sunshine in it in the Triad. The temperatures will be in the mid to upper 50s tomorrow afternoon. Foothills also sunny, but notice the wind. Everyone's dealing with that northwest wind at about 15 to 25 miles an hour, so it will be brisk. Mountain forecast has us up to about 46 tomorrow afternoon. For Saturday morning, coldest morning in this little cold snap, we're down to 35 degrees. It should warm up though in the afternoon, looking for highs in the low 60s. And we've actually got some sunshine both Friday and Saturday. The early part of Sunday for sunrise services should be dry, but we do have rain coming in, especially after lunchtime. We'll be right back, so stick around.
The coronavirus canceled this year's Wimbledon, but it's not all bad news. Organizers are set to recoup more than $140 million in lost earnings. Action Network's Darren Rovell reports that the All England Lawn Tennis Club paid millions of dollars over the years for pandemic insurance. The payout's huge, but this year's tournament was expected to generate more than $300 million in revenue. The coronavirus isn't impacting the football season just yet, but it is changing recruiting. The NCAA recently suspended in-person recruitment until May 31st. The process is going digital. Players and coaches alike have had to make adjustments since campus visits and tours aren't options anymore.
That's been, the biggest disadvantage where these rising seniors are going through is they haven't been able to go out and say, hey, get their mom and dad to take them to go look at their